What else do you have on this Excel spreadsheet?
How do you find the deals? Like, do you do it through the market? Or deals? Do you use wholesalers? Do you use realtors? Are you cold call owners? What's your process when it comes to finding the deals?
So we buy, we can go so deep into it, but at the level we buy both through wholesalers and through on market, with agents on the market. But we did do, in the beginning, when we were starting out, we did try wholesaling for about 6 months. We were not good at it. And so I have respect for wholesalers because it's a lot of work, a lot of follow-ups, systems that I apply. But we've done both. I want to say half of our deals is on market with agents, and networking with people like in meetups like this, and meeting wholesalers at the meetups who we end up doing things with. So, yeah.
Let's say a real estate agent or a wholesaler gets you a deal. How do you know that you deal? Like, what is your buy box? What are you looking at? How are you underwriting the deal? How do you know if it's a good deal or not?
We need to have some sort of like an analysis form. Like we use Google Sheet, but we've curated it to where all the numbers we need are there. Definitely need an analysis sheet.
So what else do you have on this Excel spreadsheet or Google sheet?
Okay, so if I can paint a picture, the first box is the main numbers. The purchase price, which is very important. You always want to buy under market value. We know that again with my box, right? So purchase price, the renovation cost, and the ARV. That's like the first box. And then the second box is your holding costs, your utilities, your property taxes. That's the main one. And then, yeah, insurance, a builder's risk insurance. And then the other box is hard money lender and your private money lender.
With the kind of very experienced in real estate, living in the real estate investing. But what makes your story very unique is that you did not start in the real estate. You're actually a nurse, right? So I can ask you that, how did you transition from being a nurse?
Ever since I was younger, I was very crafty. I love design, I love colors. But when I graduated in high school in 2007, and that was when the whole market, I didn't understand what it was at that time, but I knew something was happening, and one of my best friends said, go to nursing, and so I did the whole thing. And then when I graduated in 2015 as a registered nurse, I kind of just realized like, okay, I've been working as a nurse for like 7-8 years at that time. And I love it though. I love being a nurse so much. I ended up really loving it. And so in 2018, I just Googled, real estate flipping because that's what I heard on the shows. And then I found Bigger Pockets, I found podcasts, and then, oh my gosh, like for a whole year, like nonstop, reading books, Think Grow Rich Dad Poor Dad, like Secret Millionaire Mind, all the books, all the podcasts for about a year. And then that's when we did our first year. When we did our first one, when we bought it, while we were doing it, and when we were done, it was almost like a dream. Like I never thought it would happen when we were doing it. And every time we close on a deal now, and every time we finish on a deal now, it's actually the same feeling, at least for me. It's like, wow, I can't believe this is real and we're actually doing it. And going back to watching HGTV, I thought it was just about interior design. But yes, that's what I was like, I want to do interior design because that's what I wanted in high school. But after reading so much book, I realized the whole wealth building, fix up, there's so many different facets that after we did our first deal, me and my brother decided we're going to keep doing this. So now, like 13 projects later, now we're doing a ground up development and analysis. It's really good.